Oh, he's wrapping the camera good. Oh my God. Nice way to start. Look at that. Beauty. There's one. One coming in hot here. Got him. Ooh. Ooh, another slob. Oh, it's not a slob. It's a good size one. Another 9-incher, 10-incher. Coming from every angle here. There we go. Another sunfish? I don't know. The lighting was weird. Got him. Oh. Whoa, close to a PB here. And he wasn't going anywhere. She wasn't going anywhere. Oh wow. Something took a bite. That's crazy. Look at that fish. It's a beauty. Here we go. Coming in hot. Got him. Got him. Nice. Beadhead nymph and mealworms. A giant, good size to eat. Got ya. Gotcha. Ooh, must be a bigger one. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Good size. Alright, coming back. One coming from the bottom there pretty quick. Oh, smashed it. Sweet. That's the most aggressive strike I've had this year. Scared me. You didn't want that bug to get away. Going with some Berkley Gulp maggots. Asticots, French. They stink like you wouldn't believe, so let's drop down and see what we catch here. Come on, eat it, would you please? Just eat it. Here he goes. There we go. Thanks, just a smaller one, I think. Still gonna eat. Still gonna eat. Okay, we just dropped down. We got fish meeting us right at the 20-foot mark right now. Oh yeah, they're all over it. Got him. Feels like a perch. Oh yeah, nice. A nice one to add to the pile. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. It's just after 3 o'clock, 3:30ish. Got a nice feed of fish today, about 14 perch on the ice, some keepers, and then let a few smaller ones go. Got one nice little brookie. Missed a few brookies. They were kind of playing with me down there, but they were kind of fussy today. Cold as hell today. Minus 15 when we got here, without the wind. Probably minus 20 plus with the wind chill. So it was great to have the sub-zero today. Couldn't have stayed out here all day without it for sure. Had the heater going for half the day, and yeah, good day on the ice. It was a bit of a grind, I'm not gonna lie, but we got some action. Managed to figure out what the perch were biting on, and one brookie. So thanks again for watching. Remember to subscribe, share the video, leave some comments down below, and we'll see you on the ice shortly.